For this video, we are going to make Thai iced coffee. You will be needing hot water, condensed milk, sugar, evaporated milk, salt, and Thai coffee. For the first step, let the coffee brew in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. In a mixing glass, combine the condensed milk and sugar. You can also add a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness and amplify its flavor. When the coffee is ready, pour it into the mixing glass and stir it to dissolve the sugar and condensed milk. When ready to serve, fill your glass completely with ice and pour the coffee over the ice. Lastly, top with evaporated milk and enjoy your Thai iced coffee.